Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use Tachiyomi app. So the first thing you have to do is to download Tachiyomi app from any official website of your choice. Click on the next option here. So allow Tachiyomi to access your folder. Click on allow. Now you click on the next option here. So you grant install app permission, notification permission, background battery usage. I don't want it to make use of my background battery usage, so I will not allow that. So the next thing you do here is to get started. If you want to read the guide, you can read it. If you want to restore backup, you can also restore and click get started. So right here is the home page of my Tachiyomi app. The next thing you have to do is to click on the more option here. Scroll gently, click on settings, click on browser. So from here, all you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. Now, the next thing you have to do here is to look for extension that you're going to add to your Tachiyomi. So right here, you click on this first website. Scroll gently to Magal. So right here, you take the first extension here that says Share. That is the best extension. Click on the install option. So right here, you copy it, click on the add option here, paste it, click on add. It has been added. So the next thing you can do is to go to your browser, click on the extension option. So from here, you can select any extension of your choice and download it to your Tachiyomi app. So guys, that is it on how to use your Tachiyomi app. If this video was helpful, please do all to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks to make money. Thanks for watching.